Today we're looking at a brand new Trailmaster straight from the factory, and it's the 240RK floor plan, and it is a 2026. It's got lots of nice features here, and it is just a great couples trailer altogether with some very luxurious features for a great price still, with it being Trailmaster on the inside. Talking about the outside here, it is a total of 26 feet. It has a single slide out. You've got a rear kitchen and a rear bathroom on the inside, and just nice other touches here and there. Starting with the front, you've got your nice power tongue jack there on the front. You've got manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit and two covered 20-pound propane tanks. Walking through to the rear, I'll touch on a couple of things. You've got a pass-through storage area with motion sensor lights, a pretty much full-length awning, which is going to give you awesome floor plan for the outside here. It's really going to extend everything out, give you a nice area to hang out and socialize when you've got great evenings and great days on the campground. You've got a unique styled storage compartment here in the rear where you do have extra height that brings it all the way up. This would be perfect for bagged camping chairs, extra pokers, maybe even condensed folded down fishing rods. Stuff like that is going to be perfect for this back storage compartment. You'll notice there are plenty of windows throughout this trailer, which are going to give plenty of natural light coming into the unit itself on the inside. You've got your auxiliary shower there at the back. You've got your spare tire and your bumper for your sewer hose. You've got a single slide out. This is relatively of a smaller floor plan compared to the other Trailmasters we stock here at Long Haul, but having that slide out and having that full length awning do a great job at extending its design and extending its floor plan both on the inside and out. Now stepping onto the interior here, you'll see why this is such a fantastic floor plan for couples. First of all, you've got a great master bed here right in the nose. You don't have a convertible bed in the sense that you're going to have to swap your main bed from a couch to a bed or a dinette to a bed. You just have a bed that's set up here all the time, which means you have zero setup and takedown for once you get to the campground. Either side has matching storage, so you're going to have this wardrobe style closet here where you can hang up your clothes and not live out of a suitcase. You've got storage up above. Each has your own light, and each side table has its own 110 volt receptacles, as well as USB-A and USB-C charging ports. That's going to be perfect for phones and devices. That's going to be perfect for things like alarm clocks, CPAP machines, anything like that is going to plug into it there, and you've got it on either side. Another great feature here for couples and a proper way to relax when you're on the campground are these theater style seats. You've got a couple of nice features here. Obviously they can recline if you want, or you can have them folded up. You've got these nice stainless steel cup holders, easy to clean, easy to hold your drinks. Little storage compartment there, perfect for remotes or any other extra little things you have hanging around the trailer. And you have a wireless charging pad there too for your portable devices. This is all nestled into this slide out here, which is what I was talking about for really maximizing your space. You've got half of your kitchen here in the slide out, which gives you this nice wraparound look and plenty of countertop space for a smaller floor plan. You've got a great split 50-50 sink here, which is perfect if you've got a couple things on the go. Whether you're cutting and prepping vegetables, you still need a spot to wash your hands. You got some dirty dishes, you're trying to clean some up here. A 50-50 split sink is a great option for a smaller floor plan trailer, as well as having this high-rise faucet with the hose attachment. You've got storage up above here. You've got a nice traditional microwave, and they also give you this insert for the kitchen sink, which I think for the size of this floor plan, you already have a decent amount of countertop space, but adding that in gives you this pretty much whole back area, plus this storage here for all of your belongings. But you're also going to have your countertop space over here. You've got your 3-burner stovetop, you've got an oven underneath, and you've got your storage up above. Lastly, you're going to have this full electric fridge freezer combo, which is a great touch. You're starting to see it more and more 2026s. A full electric fridge freezer combo. This runs off a 12 volt power, which means you can keep all your food nice and cool while you're in transportation, which really isn't possible with a gas electric fridge freezer combo because you should not travel with your propane running. You'll notice this unit does have air conditioning. You've got nice areas for storage plus a TV, and you are going to have this dinette, which is convertible for an extra sleeping spot as well. So if you've got extra friends along with your family, kids, grandkids, and you do want to have more spots to sleep people, that's going to be the spot here where you can drop this table down. These cushions will come over, and you will have a convertible sleeping spot to fit more guests. Opening this up, this is going to be a nice storage compartment here. You've got a full pretty much height here from top to bottom. Plenty of opportunities for storing personal belongings. It's right across from the kitchen, so you can have all your utensils or appliances stored in here as well. And last but not least, you are having a nice washroom here in the rear. You've got a shower with this full one-piece wraparound insert. A beautiful skylight. You got those built-in shelves. And over here you've got access to more storage. You've got access to storage underneath. You've got your medicine cabinet, little storage compartment up above here, and storage beside. For such a nice compact couples trailer, you've got lots of storage, lots of options with spots to sit and relax, spots to eat. You've got a washroom, you've got a kitchen, everything you can imagine packed into this new Trailmaster. If you want to see everything else it has to offer before it sells, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.